Today, we will be showing you how to install the Brakebuddy Classic 2. This demonstration will include two parts, one for installing the dash mount connector and for the breakaway installation. The tools you will need are wire cutters, wire strippers, crimpers, drill, and a Phillips screwdriver. Starting with the dash mount connector, look under the dash in the towed vehicle driver's side for grommets or holes to come through the firewall. Select a convenient mounting location for dash mount connector and route the wire from inside of vehicle into the engine compartment. Use the provided grommet to protect the wire. Finally, use 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 nuts provided to secure the dash mount connector to the vehicle dash. Before moving into the breakaway portion, remember, the breakaway is an important part of the Brakebuddy system and is required by law in most states. Do not operate your Brakebuddy without a properly functioning breakaway. First, find a convenient, sturdy place on the front of your towed vehicle to mount the junction box. This should be installed on the driver's side of the vehicle if possible. Clean the mounting surface and attach the Velcro patch. Attach the junction box to the Velcro patch so the pin with the ring faces forward and the wiring harness feeds back into the engine compartment. If you need to mount the bracket, please refer to page 2 of the instruction manual. If you run into any problems or have questions, call the Brakebuddy experts at 1-800-470-2287.